Hello, I hope everyone is well. This is Kuya Angelo of Lumberyard CQB. And for this video, I'm going to break down why the rules in our CQB arena are important. Airsoft is a training sport that carries some risks. So it's everyone's job to prioritize safety. Sa mga newbies sa sport na to, madalas ay narinig nila yung term na FPS limit. So sir, ano ba yung FPS limit na yan? What kind of animal is that? FPS limit, that is the maximum muzzle velocity of an airsoft gun that is measured by feet per second. And sa sight natin, our engagement can happen at a distance of 10 meters or less. We enforce a restrictive FPS limit of 450, which for me is the safest. And ito na rin yung yung limit that most game sites follow. You would notice na yung mga airsoft units natin ngayon, yung FPS nila out of the box is also 450 FPS or less. Kasi sa tingin ko, yun din yung opinion ng mga manufacturers na ito yung safest limit para sa sport na ito. Ngayon naman, so explain ko kung bakit natin ini-implement yung single shot firing. May mga players tayo na nagtatanong, Sir, why not set our firing mode to full auto? Enjoy din na laruin yung yung naka-burst, yung rat-ratan. Okay, point taken. Pero bigyan ko kayo ng konting background. Airsoft was originally developed for military personnel, so they can train using non-lethal weapons sa kanilang mga exercises. And then eventually, naging popularly accepted siya as a sport, and nagkaroon ng iba't ibang style yung airsoft gameplay. Andyan yung practical shooting, speedball, and combat shooting. And dito sa atin, sa Lumberyard, gusto natin yung combat shooting style of gameplay. Gusto natin yung mga military simulations which aim for realism. And ini-implement natin yung single shot firing kasi sinasanay nito yung mga players natin to carefully aim and to make deliberate shots kumpara dun sa pag-rely on rapid bursts para lang matrace yung target. Ang dinedevelop natin dito is yung tactical decision making and marksmanship ng ating mga manlalaro. And isa pa, sinasabi natin na we must treat our airsoft guns as if they were real firearms. So kailangan din nating i-practice yung responsible shooting. Ito na lang, take for example, naglalaro tayo, tapos naka-burst ka, and then na-friendly fire mo pa yung ka-team mo. In real life scenario, kung ganun yung mangyayari, na naka-full auto yung baril mo, tapos tinamaan mo yung kasamahan mo, hindi mo bubuhayin yung kasama mo. Yung biruan nga namin dito sa game site, ano mo papaliwanag yan sa mga kamag-anakan ng ka-team mo? Ayun, so that's a joke, pero come to think of it, it makes sense. We also added an implementing rule, which is the no suppress more than 30 rounds. So, nililimit natin yung laman ng magazine into 30 rounds. Mag-adapt natin to sa military training kasi this discourages our soldiers to fire off all 30 rounds in a single burst. So, kumbaga pinopromote pa rin ito is yung single shot firing. And another practical reason na nakita ko kung bakit nila ito ginagawa, may kinalaman to dun sa mobility mo sa battlefield. Kasi ang hirap na gumalaw from your position, which is usually nakadapa o nakayuko, para mag-change mag kung sobrang haba ng mga magazines na dala-dala nila sa labanan. So, that's it for me for today. So I hope meron kayong mga natutunan, and we will see you at our game site sa mga future Milsim events. God bless everyone.